Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in a robe. I look too good to be alone. My house clean, my pool warm. Just shake smooth like a newborn. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing and the west wing of this mansion. What's happening? I am praying. Hi y'all, it's your girl Matate and I'm back with another vlog. I'm back with another video, and yeah, I'm just going to do like a cleaning video. I need to clean my room ASAP. I need to wash my clothes, all those clothes, plus the camera, plus your rug hapo chini, and all my shoes. I'm going to do all that in 2 days. Today is the first day and I'm just going to wash my clothes. Sahi ni like 4 ama 3 na naanza kuosha nguo sahi. That's how last minute I am. But yeah, that's all for now. So let's go wash these clothes. If you smoke, I got the taste. And if you're hungry, girl, I got the lace. Oh, baby. Hi all, I'm done washing the clothes, shoes, the bedroom mat. Yeah, I'm done. So nimeoga. As you can see, hata sijavaa nguo bado. And I'm supposed to cook and I don't think I'll cook because hey, nimechoka. So I'm just going to relax for the rest of the night, eat and sleep. I'll clean my bedroom tomorrow. Yeah, what? I'll clean my bedroom tomorrow. It's already at night. So yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you. See you tomorrow, guys. Let me sleep. We're going to run some errands. Me, my mom, and my sister. So yeah, come with us. Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in a robe. I look too good to be alone. My house clean, my pool warm. Just shake smooth like a newborn. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing and the west wing of this mansion. What's happening? I am praying for games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you're trying to make me wrong, I'ma leave this door open. I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave this door open, girl. I'ma leave the door open. Did you feel the way I feel and you want me like I want you tonight, baby? Tell me that you're coming through. Ooh, you're so sweet, so tight. I won't bite unless you like. If you smoke, I got the taste. And if you're hungry, girl, I got the lace. Oh, baby, don't keep me waiting. There's so much love we could be making. I'm talking kissing, hugging. Tell me why you're crying, I'm feeling big deal. When you gave me something I don't really feel. But you know. Hi all, so I'm back home and nimetoka kuanua zile nguo zile unaona pale, they are dry and I did not clean my bedroom today. I'll clean tomorrow so that I can arrange them. As you've seen. So I want to show you guys what I got first. the next day, let's go clean the room. Okay. Room is all clean now, so let's go pick some clothes. Let's jack over and my bedroom mat. I'm done cleaning. Now I want to cook and then shower and then rest. I'll show you the room. Like I'll give you a little room tour when I'm done, like officially done. Bado kuna vitu sina and I really want them. But for now, that's all. Let's go cook. Yeah. It's the last day of this vlog, and sorry I didn't talk to you all yesterday sana. There was a lot going on, but I cleaned my room. As you can see, I cleaned my room. It smells nice, like all the good stuff. So this is the last day I'm vlogging for this vlog, and nimekuwa nikingoja a certain package for like 3 weeks na inafika leo, so I'll unbox that with you guys. And what else? Yeah, and end this vlog. But for now, I'm going to do a makeup video for my TikTok. I'm doing it with my sister. I'll insert a clip of it here. One, it's quite an interesting one. That's in my vibe. I look cute. So yeah, I'll see you when the package arrives. Guys, I'm from doing my makeup as you've seen, and my package just open it. I had so much fun recording that makeup video. You'll see. I'll insert a clip for each vlog. So yeah, let's open. It looks so cute. Yeah. Let's open. They're working, guys. They're working. So I just have to install them, and I'll show you guys when I install them. But for now, I'm going to take pictures. Ndio hii look isiende to waste. So I'll see you when I'm installing them, and then I'll end the video. Guys, that's the end of the vlog, and I hope you all liked it. I'm just trying to transform my room, and I love it the way it is right now, but there's so much more to come, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll see you on the next vlog.